out here in nature walking, but I just came to look at the ducks as well. It's just so mind easing looking at nature, how they just naturally peaceful. You know, I love nature. I definitely do. Look at them, so cute. Look how the water just flows and stuff like that. It's just so peaceful to look at, so mind calming. Calms the mind down. Mind, body, and soul. Like if I'm having a stressful day, I just come out in nature and calm myself all the way down just by being in tune with nature. And I just love when the sun's out. It just makes me feel better about myself. Health is wealth. I even detach from social media. I don't watch the news. I don't watch TV. I detach from all programming. I have a free spirit and soul, so I know what it takes to be stress-free, and that's what I do. Be stress-free, come out in nature, walk, eat healthy, look good, and yeah, but have a blessed, vigilant day. Tune in. Good nature.